Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view on this device. First of all, select one of your apps like Play Store and click on this button with 3 lines. Then click on the icon of an app and select Open in pop-up view. Following that, you can use it in the city window over here. If you wish to move it, hold this blue line and drag it wherever you wish to. If you wish to make it small, click on Home button. Then to open it, tap on the bubble. You can also use it to overlay other apps by simply clicking on the other one and operating in both of them. If you wish to close this app, you can click on Home button and drag bubble or window to the remove section, but you can also just close it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!